With BIGVU, I make videos every week. Business owners are busy with a million things to do. Before BIGVU, I made a few videos, then I stopped. It took me nowhere. Now at BIGVU, I make videos every week. It's easy, and it takes me no more than an hour. Number 1, goals. Set a realistic objective. For example, try to post one video per week for the next 3 months. These videos can be short, but frequency is essential.
Number 2, topics. Spend some time writing down a list of topics that will resonate with your audience about issues that they deal with every day. To make it easier on yourself when you sit down to record, you might want to have a schedule and plan your topics several weeks in advance. Always keep your objectives in mind, whether that's attracting new prospects, creating a good first impression, building trust, or keeping your prospects engaged. Number 3, hooks. The first few seconds are essential to grab attention. Create strong, benefit-focused video titles. Your headlines need to be intriguing, and it should resonate with your audience's main problems.
Script. Your message needs to be concise and address your audience. Most people can't just wing it. Before you film, take a few minutes to write a script with the ideas you want to communicate. Prompt your script like a pro. If you have trouble remembering your lines, use a teleprompter app on your smartphone. This will allow you to read the text scrolling across your phone screen as you record video and audio with your phone's front camera. This spares you the amateur look of having to look down at note cards or take multiple shots before you finally say your lines correctly.
Number 6, add captions. All videos should have titling on every scene. In many cases, your audience will be watching these videos on social media with the sound off. Make sure your videos can get the point even without audio. Number 7, brand with your logo. Be recognizable. Create a brand identity with a clear and easy to read logo by adding a logo on your videos so that everyone knows who you are.